Charging station installation tutorial. Place the charging station pillar in the appropriate position. Mark with a marker pen. Drill holes with an electric drill. Hammer the expansion bolt into the hole. Align the panel bracket with the column hole. Tighten the combination screws. Align the gun line bracket with the column hole. Tighten the combination screws. Align the charging panel with the panel bracket. Insert the panel bracket from top to bottom. Open the bolt slot of the charging panel. Unscrew the fixing bolts of the charging panel. Open the front cover of the charging panel. Tighten the panel fixing bolts. Charging station line installation tutorial. Thread the reserved line through the corrugated pipe. Install the corrugated tube into the charging panel. Remove the fixed wire clamp. Remove the bolts at both ends of the fixed cable clamp. Pull the reserved wire out of the interface to a suitable length. Install fixed cable clamps. Remove the power safety partition. Remove the power supply fixing bolt. Connect the reserved wire to the power supply. Install the power safety partition. Close the front cover of the charging panel. Tighten the fixing bolts of the charging panel. Durable and stable, not easy to fall off. Arrange the gun line and hang it on the fixed port.